Can you do a happy dance? That is good. Can you shake a tail feather? Can you shake a tail feather? Oh man, you make me laugh. Yep, kick off your boots before you go inside. We're not going to use that door though, Maddie.